Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura IMpressa J9 espresso machine. The problem with this machine is it was that the brew group was stuck. It was very dirty inside. Let me just show you a little bit. Pretty much it had a lot of mold in there, and here was completely full of mold as well. So we just gave it a very good clean, and we've been testing this machine for a while now. As you can see, we have done a lot of coffee in there, and pretty much filled this whole cup to this line. So it's been working out great. And basically what we did is just reloop the whole infuser in there, the whole group, give it a very good clean and making sure it was moving very smoothly. And as you can see, it's not giving anymore the error 8, which was given at the beginning, and it's been working out great. This is the hot water and the steam. Normal. Good water flow and of course hot. And let me see if I can make some steam. Okay. As you can see, steaming properly the way it's supposed to. We're supposed to have this here too, so we don't have it right now, so the best we can do is to save the steamer. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.